Okay, this is just a short presentation about wrap linked lists. So this is the difference between a wrap linked list, which looks like this, or this, or this, and this is a static list. Okay, now a static list is generated by using data validation tools within Excel, and you say that the value in this input cell has to be one of the following values, and these are the following values that are in this particular list. So now that's fine if the list is never going to change. So this is a list that's never going to change, so I'm perfectly happy with that, and it's all contained within Excel. But here, this is saying we're going to do some modification work. We're going to do it in the CG shop, and we're going to ask the mechanical competence to undertake the work, and the operation is going to be modification, and it's some kind of bending operation. Now, the reason we've got these in wrap linked lists is because they're populated not from an Excel data validation list, they're populated from another wrap. And the reason is, if we want to add another shop, so that at the moment, if I click down on here, we've currently got values. There's a fabrication shop, there's an inspection shop, NDT, etc., etc. If I wanted to add that without rewrapping the wrap, I need to use the wrap linked list. So the wrap linked list works like this. It's actually, the list is managed off the wrap that it's used on. So we're going to go to here, CG, and we're going to see that it's actually a very simple wrap. It's holding a value, and the value is CG, so it's the name of a shop. If we look in the back end here, so if I just let's go have a look in the administrators area of the site. So to do that, I will click in the home, go down to the dashboard, go to Excel wraps, and I will try to find that wrap, or in fact probably what I'll do is, since I've done it recently, I'll have a look at which wraps have gone in recently. So the one that we were looking at was the shop one, which is here. So in here, it's that very simple wrap that just holds one value. So it's got fabrication, NDT, paint, etc., etc. And if we want to create, as an administrator, we want to add another value to a number of options there, what we'll do is we'll create a new wrap instance, and we shall, sorry, I don't think I've clicked that. There we go, I've clicked it now. And what we could have is have we got a paint shop already? Okay, so let's have a kind of preparation shop, paint prep, maybe paint prep shop, and I want that to add to my list. So I'm going to submit that, and there we go. We've now got a paint prep shop. Now, if I go back to the root card, which was this one here, not the root card shop. The root card, this will take me back to here, and if I click in here now, look what suddenly appeared, paint prep. So, and as quickly as it appears, if I click in paint prep, I can actually, I'll click that in a new tab. I can also, if I wish, get rid of it. I'm going to delete it. And when I refresh this, I'm going to ask it to reload because it thinks we've made some changes, but I'm not really interested in those changes. So if I reload this page now, then paint prep, because I've deleted it, should be off our list, and it's off our list. So that's the whole point behind wrap linked lists. So we've got another wrap linked list here to manage competencies. So we've got some electrical competencies and mechanical competencies, welding competencies here. And we've got a number of standard operations that are performed, which are all, again, managed in these very simple wraps that just hold on to one value, and they really only exist so that we can manage this list of things here. So wrap linked lists is the thing that you need to look in our help if you want to know how to create them. Okay, thanks for listening.